This is the brand new Protool oval pole. This is the best pole for solar panel cleaning right now. It's 100% carbon fiber. This is a 27-foot pole that has an oval shape to it, so it's not gonna spin on you when you're working on the solar panels left and right. It's very comfortable in your hands when you're using it, and it has superior rigidity because the oval has that shape to it, has that nice spine to work against. So this is right now the best thing you can get for solar panel cleaning, the best pole. It's got a couple of new things at the top. We've got a brand new adapter for the oval pole that fits nicely in the oval pole. We've upgraded the size of this to 3/8. We've got a cool new on-off valve, small format for turning on and off your water supply for the rotary brush. Swivel up here to change out your connections, and an all new stainless steel manifold up here that's going into the brush head with stainless steel jet for superior strength and longevity. This is the best right now in solar panel cleaning with the popular Protool J.Racenstein rotary brush and the brand new Protool oval solar pole.
J.Race.